Good morning, everyone. So the Nike earnings trade is cooking along just fine. So I do have an order out there to trim this back by three. My order is at 75 cents. We're currently trading at about 58 cents. Note that that is a 140% return on our investment. We only spent $250 to get into this trade. So don't be greedy if you're in there with a one lot, a two lot, something like that. Don't be afraid to take the money and run. In my case, again, I've got a 10 lot. I do think it's realistic for that 75 cents to hit here a little later today. I've been watching the chart. It's not going much of anywhere up or down at this point. So I'm okay. I know the Fed has an announcement coming up at 11 Pacific time today as well, and that will likely release a little more volatility. And if Nike does not move significantly at that point, I would expect this T0 line to pop up a little further and possibly be able to hit my first target of 75 cents around that area. At that point, I'll probably put a second order out there, maybe in the $1.25, $1.50 range. Again, personal preference for everyone, and based on what your opinion is on the direction of the market. But I certainly would like to at least thin this out enough today that it's going to be a no-lose trade at that point. So if I take out three of these at 75 cents, I won't quite be to a total no-lose trade. So if I can pull off another three, maybe by the end of the day, or another two, I should have worked this into where it would be a no-lose trade no matter what the market does from there. Then I'm a little more comfortable letting this ride into possibly Thursday and maybe even Friday with what's left on it. So that's kind of where we're at on this trade. But again, so far working out very, very well for us. And we just need to see about getting some of these calendars popped off before too long. So that's it on this one. I'm going to look at a couple other potential earnings trades today. I do worry whether or not they're liquid enough. I'm going to look specifically at Chewy, CHWY, and KB Homes, KBH. I haven't looked at either one of them yet. I know Chewy used to be pretty liquid. KBH, I honestly don't know. I don't even know if they have weekly options. But that's another, when I look at my listing of earnings that are coming up, those are the two that seem to have the most liquid stocks. And usually if they have liquid stocks, they tend to also have more liquid earnings. So that is where we are at on the Nike earnings trade at this point.